Hello, Zippo world. It's Mr. Zippo here. I'm going to go over some lighters with you today. It's got about 5 or 6 here that pretty interesting. And you can find all these on my eBay store at Christos G 510 Army Navy Marines. That's CHRISTOS G 510 Army Navy Marines, my eBay store, with hundreds of Zippo lighters that you can take a look at. First up, I've got some Zippo Advertising here, the Windproof Lady. Here's a Windproof Lady. This is a used lighter from 2016, even though it's, comes in the box, but this particular lighter was not functional when I got it. So what did I do? Bingo! I sent it to Bradford, Pennsylvania to Zippo Repairs. Nice polished chrome, sealed, completely repaired, restored, refurbished. Look at that, hinges, everything just gorgeous on it. It does show some wear, but for the most part, it's a nice Zippo lighter. You can look on the bottom, it's A16, so that indicates that it's 2016. So, a nice polished chrome with the box, made in the USA, and the lid. There you go. Lid's in good shape. Got one little bruise here on the side though, but 2016 Zippo lighter, and kind of Zippo's own advertising, And next up, another. This is 2008. This shows that the Zippo lighter is fan-proof test. Zippo Windproof lighter lights pipes as easily as cigarettes, operates with one hand, 10 dry fuel display, 10-day dry fuel display. And lifetime guarantee, monograms in enamel inlay if desired. Somebody advertised the fan test. Okay, so box is looking pretty good. Zippo box. Take a look. Oh, there we go. Now this is in kind of a brushed chrome. This also sent off to Bradford, PA. Make it refurbished, make it like new again. Still has some normal wear. The lighter is 12 years old, but Alpha 08 on the bottom. There you go. 08. So the Zippo guarantee in the box, vintage look. It's got that vintage look. And there's the box, nicely. It's nice when you have them in the box or a tin. You can display them like that. You can just set them on a shelf. Keep mine in a airtight bag. Okay, next up, another Zippo Advertising in the box, 2016 again. This is kind of a lot of Zippo advertising there. Zippo, 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 and Zippo. Windproof lighter. Take a look. another one, even though it's fairly new, 2016. This had plenty of use and needed to be refurbished, repaired. So it closes exactly. It's got new. Everything works. Factory sealed. Look on the bottom. It's got kind of a nice brass type looking bottom there, if you could see that. Echo 16, E16, right there on the bottom. Take a closer look at that one. You know, and all these lighters are on my eBay store, Christos G510. I know I keep saying that, but you can take a look at them. You can go to the Facebook page, Zippo World, or Facebook page, Mr. Zippo, and you can see the latest and the greatest. If you do go to the eBay store, make sure you know, if you just go there to look at all the lighters. There's some military memorabilia out there too for you veterans who'd like to collect. Here's another lighter, Zippo, and 2010. Still has the price sticker on it. This is brand new, not sent off to the factory, but brand new in the box. Has a Zippo Art Deco design. Even though it kind of says Zippo in there. You have to look real hard. But, you know, and then Zippo down here. 2010 on the bottom. G is in George. 2010. Brand new, factory sealed. And it has an advertisement in the inside to look for the Zippo Blue, which is a butane insert that you can put in the Zippo lighters. Put that back in the box. This is called the Butterfly. So it has the original barcode on the back. It says Zippo Butterfly. So that is the Butterfly design, Zippo Advertising. 2010. It's a nice lighter to put on the shelf, whether it's in your shop. So, okay, now what else we got here? Here's a Zippo lighter in a plastic display. It says it's just regular black / Z. Z red border. Take a look at this thing. This is brand new, never opened, factory seal, Zippo Advertising. And I guess they call this black matte, M-A-T-T-E. M-A-T-T-E has like a coating over the metal surface all the way around. The only thing I don't like about the matte, I mean, you definitely have to take a magnifying glass to see the O2 on the bottom there. It's, I don't know if you can see that or not. Depends how the light shines on it. Yep. So that's the original plastic display that you would see in a jewelry store. It does not have the front cover to the plastic display, but otherwise, brand new lighter, never opened, never used. 2002, you know. So maybe you know somebody's got an anniversary or was born in 2002 and Have a nice keepsake with the Zippo on it. And the final one we have today, 1999. So this is slim. A lot of times the ladies like to have the slim. This is in purple, Zippo Advertising. Now this was sent, obviously the barcode down here behind the sticker, so this was sent to the Zippo factory for repair, refurbished, so everything, whether it's the hinge, the way it closes, nice clean wick and spark inside. Most of the time they put completely new insert inside. And if you look on the bottom of this is matte again, purple. And I don't know if you can see that in the light, but it's like a brass bottom. So the entire lighter may be brass underneath. Hard to say. Not gonna say for sure, but you know, did he just put like a brass plate on the bottom? Or is the entire lighter like that under the matte, purple matte? So, there was 6 lighters, mostly in Zippo Advertising. Give you a taste how they do that over the years. Every year they come out with a couple that they're just advertising their own brand. Nice design. So just as a reminder, hit the subscribe button, and you know, you can repost our video on Facebook, YouTube, and you can go to our Facebook page, Zippo World on Facebook, and Mr. Zippo on Facebook. Or you can go to the eBay store, Christos G, Christos G, 510, Army Navy. A lot of Zippos, hundreds of Zippos. So if you have any questions,